Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time I haven't posted any video on our channel, right? So did you all miss me? Thing is, I'm actually shifting my home and studio to a new place and this is probably the last video that I'll be making in this particular studio, guys. So I'm definitely going to miss this place. But let me tell you, the new house that we are building currently is going to be like a smart home, guys. Like everything is going to be like smart AI powered. You can control everything with Alexa over there, including electrical appliances and all that stuff. And once we get settled over there now, I'll definitely make like a home tour and studio tour because a lot of you people were actually asking me to show that in my other video. So I'll definitely plan that. Keeping that aside, for this purpose only for our new home, I was actually planning to buy two new ACs, guys. Brand new 2021 models. I didn't want to use our old ACs over there. And for the same thing, I've been doing a bit of research since the past few days as to which model AC should I buy or which brand should I go. And after doing a lot of research, I came to a conclusion and bought two brand new ACs. And let me tell you, this video can be like super useful for a lot of you people out there who are actually planning to buy an AC during this period, especially for summer. So, guys, before buying an AC, make sure that you checklist all these points that I'll be telling you right now because these are very crucial whenever you buy a AC. So, make sure that your model has these stuff. So, the first AC I bought is from Panasonic, and the special thing about it is it comes with anti COVID 19 technology. This is something really new, guys, and it's a 2021 model, and the brand says that it inhibits 99% of all the bacteria and viruses, including the new COVID 19 virus, and keeps you safe. So, that was the main reason I actually chose this model. And keeping that aside, it's a 1.5 ton model, 5-star AC, smart inverter, split AC. And if you ask about other features, see, whenever you're buying an AC, right, make sure that that particular AC model is like at least dual inverter or triple inverter. This particular model was twin cool, that means dual inverter model only. These are like very much energy efficient compared to your non-inverter ACs. And also make sure that it's got 100% copper tubing. And also this particular model now has blue shield technology, that is what the brand is claiming, which has like anti-corrosive properties. And also make sure that the AC has like R32 refrigerant gas only, that is also quite important. And I've told you, right, this is a 5-star model and has an ICR rating of around 4.7, so like very energy efficient. So these are the main general things that you'll have to keep in mind. But keeping that aside, this particular Panasonic model has some really smart features also. That means it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, it's got Google Assistant support, and also has Panasonic's own AI smart app function also. That means you can completely control the AC functionality using smart app or even using voice control. So that is also pretty good. And one more nice thing I really found on this AC is it also has like a built-in air purifier powered by Nano EX technology. That means it purifies the air that is present in the room so that you can breathe clean and fresh air, and also has a deodorizer. That means if you have some odor or any sort of smell in the room, it neutralizes and gives you odorless smell also. So these were the main highlights of the AC. So what I'll do is I'll quickly unbox the AC and I'll show you the complete installation also, and we'll be talking about the installation charges that these guys charged me and all that, as and how we proceed in the video. So let's get started. So I bought this AC from Bajaj Electronics in my local offline market as I was getting better price value compared to online prices. I got my 1.5 ton Panasonic 5-star Wi-Fi AC for only 46,000 rupees, guys, and this is a model of AC I chose. It's a brand new 2021 model that comes with anti-COVID-19 Nano EX technology. They also had other 2020 models and 4-star models also, but those models didn't have this anti-COVID-19 technology. That is the reason we bought this top end model. And as you can see, it's got all the other features like smart Google Assistant support, Alexa built-in, corrosion-free, 100% copper tubing, 5 years warranty on the PCB and 10-year warranty on the compressor. And Panasonic also had a special certification at the demo area where it shows that they've got this anti-COVID-19 technology certification from Taxil Laboratories in France. So it's not just some marketing gimmick. Keeping that aside, as soon as we purchased the AC got delivered the next day itself, and beforehand we kept everything ready at our home by doing even core drilling in our wall. So for the core drilling, the local guy charged me around like 750 rupees for per hole, and it might be different depending on your area, so keep that in mind. Funny part is AC was delivered very quickly, but the service installation guys took almost like 2 days to arrive and get started with the installation. So here you go, our brand new Panasonic's 1.5 ton 5-star smart inverter AC. This is how it looks like. So Panasonic has sent two service people for the installation, and these guys actually did a good job. They had all the professional tools with them. They even had their own core drilling machine, but we already got that job done. So they used all bubble level indicators for marking and keeping everything level so that your AC will be like perfectly aligned and straight on the wall. They got started with first fixing the AC bracket onto the wall, and after that they went with the outdoor unit. So once they were done with the AC bracket fitting, they moved on to the AC's outdoor unit. So there you go guys, this is how our brand new Panasonic's outdoor unit looks like. Usually most of the outdoor units come in white color, right? But Panasonic, to keep it different, went with a silver paint job, and let me tell you, it looks really attractive. And also, I have to mention this particular outdoor unit was quite big in size compared to the regular AC models, and it easily weighed around like 29 kgs. And here you go, this is that shield blue technology I was talking about. That means the condenser on this outdoor unit is coated in this blue fin coating, which will have that anti-corrosive properties and helps you with longer durability, especially in humid area. So there you go guys, our first look at Panasonic's 1.5 ton 5-star anti-COVID-19 technology AC. To the side you can see it's got 5-star rating and ICR rating of around 4.7, and over here it says Nano EX technology on the front panel. So the first thing they did was get started with installing the mains card on this main indoor unit, and this is how the inside of the AC unit looks like. It's got filters at the top side which are also cleanable by yourself. And once after they fixed the mains card to the main indoor unit, they started fixing this AC unit onto the wall surface on the bracket that they previously installed as I've shown you. At the beginning, I've told you that I'll mention the installation charges also, right? So Panasonic is charging separately for the installation charges. It was not free with the AC. They were charging around 1300 rupees for the installation and extra accessories depending on your area, guys. For example, the length of the mains cord, the plug top pin, and these sort of stuff. So totally, they charged me around like 1800 rupees to fix this AC at my place. And one more thing you can observe is how cleanly they've installed the AC. I mean, cable management is top notch. You can't see a single cable. That is because we took the wire through the wall interiors, guys, and that is how we could hide the cables. And once you're done with the installation of the indoor unit, they get started with the outdoor unit. They took all the markings using rulers and spirit levels so that everything will be aligned and parallel to the wall only, and they got started with installing these brackets. These brackets were also something separate. They were charging around 300 or 350, something like that. And once they're done with the installation of the bracket, they started folding the copper pipes and kept everything ready for the outdoor unit. So there you go guys, this is a first glance at our home. I don't want to show you everything right now only, so you'll have to wait for that home tour separately. So we're fixing this AC in our corridor, and our second AC will be going at our balcony, which is present on the other side of our house. That was also very simple since the installation was happening in our corridor only. They didn't face any issues installing the outdoor unit. And I have to tell you, the outdoor unit was quite large in size, but definitely looked attractive. Now, if you ask about the installation time, well, it took us almost around like 1 or 1.5 hour to completely done with the AC and get it started. Now, the core drilling part was already done before, right? So we saved a bit of time. And in that hole also, we put all thermocol, and later we'll be packing it with white cement so that nothing will be visible at all. Clean cable management. Now what I'll do is I'll just quickly give you a glance at the remote and I'll show you how it looks like. Well, this is definitely a large remote, that I can say. On the front, you've got the Panasonic branding, and this remote does come with a wall mounting bracket as well. You need to fix it on the wall. Keeping that aside, on the front, you've got the Nano EX technology branding, and on the other side, you've got the battery compartment, which comes free with two AAA batteries. The remote actually comes with lots of buttons on it and has a backlit LCD display at the top side, which shows you a lot of information. You've got Echo Navi mode, power button, smart Wi-Fi control features. Then you've got a couple of mode buttons, the temperature up and down buttons. Then you've got a special Nano E technology on off, which is basically that air purifier come anti COVID-19 technology toggle. And after that, you've got the usual modes like fan speed adjustment, sleep mode, and then you've got something known as jet stream also. This is used to throw the air from the AC for almost like 45 feet, guys. So this is something exclusive to Panasonic. And after that, you do have timer function and some other usual stuff. And one more thing I have to mention is you can not only control the the AC using this remote control, but you can even control it using your voice also using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or you even have smart app functionality available as well. For that, you'll need to set up the AC and get started. I'll definitely show you all of those features, but maybe sometime later, because this was just like an unboxing and first impressions on the product. I'll be using the AC for a couple of days, then I'll be able to let you know like how the AC is, how it performs, and I'll be telling you about that anti-COVID-19 technology as well. We'll be talking all about that maybe in a second video or maybe in some other video which I'll be doing very soon. Keeping that aside, let me show you how the indoor unit looks like. So there you go guys, a brand new Panasonic AC all set up and good to go. So as soon as you power it on using the remote, the flaps on it come out and it starts cooling. Now that is pretty obvious, right? The AC comes with 4 direction swing, and that too comes with double flap design, which the brand is calling it as Aero Wing, for complete control on the direction of the airflow. And as you can observe, it's got that status LED display at the top right corner. It's usually hidden when the power is off and is visible only when you power it on. Usually the brand says that AC starts cooling within like 30 seconds or 1 minute, but let me tell you, no matter which AC you take, it'll take at least 3 to 5 minutes for the compressor unit to power on fully, and then only you'll be able to get that cooling from that indoor unit. So you'll have to wait for that. So that is pretty much it guys. This was like our complete first look and overview on the AC. I'll be using this product for a couple of days, at least for a week, and I'll be testing how the cooling is, how the AC performance is. I'll be talking about the energy efficiency, power bill that I'll be getting while using it, and most importantly, I'll have to tell you about that anti-COVID-19 technology and built-in air purifier. These are something I'm like really keen to talk about in my full review video, because a lot of people will be quite interested to know about that, as it can save literally a lot of lives if this thing actually works and inhibits a lot of bacteria and viruses present in the room. Not only that, I forgot to mention the AC also has something known as Eco Navi with dual sensors built in, which will automatically adjust the cooling performance depending on human activity in that room. So these are also some of the features which I'll be talking about in my full review. And one more extra thing we did to our outdoor unit was we actually went to a welding shop and got these Z-shaped clamps made so that you could fix it to the top ceiling and give extra support to the outdoor unit. See, what was happening was some of my neighbors in our building, only previous building, had these outdoor units fell off the wall because of weak support and made a lot of loss to your property. So to totally avoid those sort of situations, we bought these clamps and fixed it. So now our outdoor unit is completely safe from these sort of problems. So that is pretty much it guys. I've already told you about the pricing, right? This Panasonic's 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi smart AC with anti-COVID-19 technology costed us around like 46,000 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it for today. That was our unboxing and first look at this AC. I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback after using this model for at least a couple of days in my channel. So that is pretty much it guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.